And there is another update that we have for you at this point in time. TMC answers Mamta resign calls. TMC has listed charges on BJP Neta, saying BJP should be disbanded. That's the update coming in at this point in time. Remember, questions were being raised earlier by the way the TMC government really has handled the entire investigation in this particular case. And there were calls for, BJP leaders, in fact, asking for the resignation of Mamta Banerjee. Amita is now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Yes, Amita, over to you. Give us more details.
Right, because Hina, this according to the TMC is the only logic according to them, saying that there has been similar allegations that has been made against the leaders from the BJP, and it doesn't mean that still when it comes to the Prime Minister, he should resign by the same logic. This is what Riju Datta of the TMC has been saying, and I'm going to quote from that post because he has posted also pictures as well, where he says that BJP wants the resignation of Bengal Chief Minister Ms. Mamata Banerjee for a heinous crime committed in the R.J. Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. So by the same logic, Mr. Modi should also resign, and with such glorious members, the party should also be disbanded. Will BJP for Bengal seek a PM Modi's resignation? Dum hai? So that is the question as far as the TMC is now posing, as far as the allegations that has been leveled against certain leaders from the BJP. The TMC is demanding that BJP also walks the talk.
All right, so that's a reaction that we have got from the Riju Datta, and TMC has now responded. Remember, earlier the BJP had demanded resignation of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. Thank you, Amita, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. In fact, we had earlier heard BJP National Spokesperson Gaurav Bhatia saying that the state government mishandled the doctor's rape and murder case, and hence BJP was demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And now we have a reaction coming in from the TMC as well in this particular case. The political blame game, meanwhile, viewers, has already started on the R.J. Kar hospital violence case, with the Bengal BJP chief Sukanta Majumdar writing to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, seeking a thorough investigation to identify the perpetrators behind vandalism that took place in the hospital. In his letter, he has said that a group of unidentified individuals disguised as protesters and launched a violent attack on the hospital premises, resulting in significant damage to property and injuries to innocent protesters. Shubhendu Adhikari has alleged that TMC goons were sent to the hospital premises to destroy the evidence. Mamta Banerjee, on the other hand, held outsiders responsible for the violence that took place. She said that she had received information that outsiders from BAM and RAM were behind the vandalism and not the student protesters. She also announced that she is going to hold a protest rally today to demand hanging of the rape and the murder accused in this case.
जिस तरीके के रात के लगभग 13 बजे 2 से 2,500 गुंडे मेडिकल कॉलेज के अंदर घुस के तोड़फोड़ किया, डॉक्टरों को मारा, नर्सों को रेप करने की हुमकी उधर दिया गया, रेप करने की धमकी दी गई, और पुलिस चुपचाप बैठी रही। पुलिस खुद जाके बाथरूम में छुप गई। पूरी तरीके से दर्शाता है कि ममता बनर्जी हैज फेल्ड टू मेंटेन द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर।
যারা এই তাণ্ডব করেছে তারা কিন্তু ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে, এই আরজি করের ছাত্র আন্দোলনের সাথে যুক্ত নয়, তারা আউটসাইডার। আমি ছাত্রছাত্রীদের কোনো দোষ দিচ্ছি না, বহিরাগত কিছু রাজনৈতিক লোক যারা বাংলায় অশান্তি করতে চান, বাম এবং রাম, তারা একত্রিত হয়ে এই গন্ডগোলটা করেছে। আমার সবচেয়ে খারাপ লাগছে কি জানেন, ঘটনাটা তো দুঃখজনক। আমরা বারবার বলেছি ফাঁসি চাই, আমি তো কালকেও মিছিল করব ফাঁসির দাবিতে। তদন্ত তাড়াতাড়ি হোক, আমরা তো রবিবারের মধ্যে শেষ করব ঠিক করেছিলাম। তা কোর্ট যখন সিবিআইকে দায়িত্ব দিয়েছে, তারা যে সহযোগিতা চাইবে আমরা করব, এবং আমরা সমস্ত ডকুমেন্ট দিয়েছি। যেগুলো কিছু কিছু লিক করা হচ্ছে, সেটা আমাদের পুলিশ যখন এনকোয়ারি করছিল কিছু লিক হয়নি। বাংলাকে অচল করে দেওয়ার পরিকল্পনা করে সন্ত্রাস করার একটা চক্রান্ত চলছে বাম আর রাবের। আমি সবাইকে বলবো, সব সোশ্যাল নেটওয়ার্কের সবটা কিন্তু ঠিক নয়।
And with this, we will slip into another very, very short break, but there's lots lined up for you on the other side. Stay with us.